Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a two stars Sudoku, not in the weekend edition. The weekend edition, yeah, I've here the weekend edition of November the 11th. No, November the 18th. The 18th, yeah, it's already 18th. The weekend edition. No, it's the edition of Friday, November the 17th. We have three puzzles left. Because in the weekend edition we have no extra puzzles. I've already solved the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left: the tectonic jigsaw Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. And I will continue with this one. Number 7476. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 30 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And maybe George can solve this within 6 minutes. For two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I don't think I need 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe it's a 1 star or 0 stars. For 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those two boxes. And 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then need a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then let me see. Come on, the 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. We have all the ones. Okay, we need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 and a 6. Okay, 3 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 3, 6, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for 3 should be there. 6 and 5. Okay. 3 and 6. Missing the numbers here. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 7 here. And then there's a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Oh, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only two places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a pair, 5 and a 7 in this column, 5 and a 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 place level, 5 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. So we have 3 in the last column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row. First row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3, 3. 6, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, and 4. Okay. Cannot continue here. Okay. 2 missing numbers here. I believe the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. 4, 4. Okay. So the 4, the 9, and the 7 are missing here. Okay. 2 missing numbers. Oh, no. 2, 8, and 4. Yeah, need a 4 here. 4 in the in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here on there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here on there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left. The 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the 5, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, we have a, wait, this is a 5, okay. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only place level 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number 1. The 2 is missing. well, we have here the 2 and the 8 are missing here in the last row. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. The 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow. 10 minutes. Well. I hope that George will solve this within 6 minutes. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.